What would it take for you to survive the scariest night of your life? That's the question I posed in this year's VR Halloween Game Jam, where the theme was Survive the Night. Your responses came in the form of fun of the macabre and just all-the-way good Halloween spirit. Some were terrifying, and some were just, well, funny.
Well, obviously that was meant to scare you.
Let's step into some of these worlds together and see who exactly mastered the art of true survival. If you missed this year's VR Halloween Game Jam, don't worry, I'm going to be kicking off another one on January 1st, which is going to be like a New Year, New You VR Jam. Keep your eyes open for that one. First up, we have Shadow Dreams by Infinita. This game has two simple objectives: grab the gems and dodge the skulls. It's a simple mechanic that kind of plays like Beat Saber or a workout application like Supernatural, and after playing for a bit, they add one more mechanic that I saw, which is spikes that shoot out of the ground. So you are dodging spikes on the ground, skulls flying at you, and then trying to grab gems all at the same time. I'm not gonna lie, I did not make it too far in this game. It ends up being a pretty intense workout, and I was either too slow or too uncoordinated, which is not shocking for me. Regardless of my deficiencies, this game didn't lack any. The audio design was great, and everything felt incredibly polished. In terms of the game mechanics, I think this game has the perfect amount of game mechanics that you would want for a week-long game jam, and have a very nice, full and complete game. So, nice work, Infinita. In second place, we have The Day Is My Enemy by Terrador Games and JK Labs. Now, sorry if I butchered your names there, I apologize. What they've done here is something pretty clever. Instead of surviving the night, you will have to survive the day because you are a vampire. This game is so jam-packed with mechanics, it kind of blows my mind. I don't understand how they fit all of these things in here. First, let's start off with the look. The entire thing looks great. It feels like it's straight out like the Blade universe. The color scheme matches it perfectly, and the lighting overall is fantastic. There's also an insane amount of variety in movement that really impressed me. You can move around by flying around and turning it into a bat, and then you just kind of hop out of that and can attack all these intruders. Also surprised me to see some inverse kinematics. It's nice to have a body, and the UI also looks great. And to top it all off, I got to be able to rip off someone's head, which, yeah, cool. All right. I'd have to say that this entry was pretty ambitious, and it nails almost everything that it's trying to do. There's so much technically going on here. So congratulations to Terrador Games and JK Labs. Thank you for this submission. It was a really, really fun one to play. Finally, we have our winner with Brief Survey by Beard or Die. If you don't know Beard or Die, you should go check him out. He does enter a lot of different game jams, and he is incredibly talented. So, Beard or Die, I'd have to say one of his biggest talents, and what really shines through in this game, is his voice acting.
If you want to live, please complete this brief survey. You like that? I made a title screen. Well, AI made it, mostly. Humans don't actually make things anymore.
He really goes all in on the voice acting and doesn't hold back. It lands, it's funny, and it's always a good time to listen to it. You are trapped underground as you have to take this crazy person survey on different things that they ask you. Whatever you choose, they react a certain way, and it's always kind of hilarious. One thing that really stood out is this giant RGB screen that he put in. It looks so good. Mechanically, there isn't too much going on here. You have a voice actor telling you to do things, you do those things with the little mechanics that are given to you, like a little remote control that you can control with your hands. Now, in a week-long game jam, that's precisely what you want to do. You want to scope it down as much as possible and really polish things out, and with that, you can see with the results, he has won the VR Halloween Jam. That's how far polish can go in your games. So, thank you. As always, Beard or Die, I really appreciate your entry this year. It was absolutely hilarious, fun, and it survived the night. Thank you to everyone who participated in the VR Halloween Jam. Again, look out in January for the New Year, New You Jam. And I have to apologize, I'm sorry for getting this out so late. I am juggling a few projects, and I have some exciting things coming out for everyone here soon. So stick around, I can't wait to see you in the next one, and I appreciate all your support as always. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!